Good evening, all of you. I am Manoranjan Sahoo from C.B. Raman Global University. Today, I am going to solve the CEC Computer Fundamental Week 6 Assignment 6 and Test 6 answer, which due date is 30 September 2024. So, let's start the solving these questions. Okay, here near about 10 questions are there. We will solve the 10 questions one by one. So, we are going to start the first questions. The question is first, when the electronic device are powered on, okay, when the electronic device are powered on, which steps occur first? So, three options are given. Out of these three options, option B means BIOS code invoking then executing of a post routing is the right answer. C, why it is the right answer? First of all, we know what is a BIOS. BIOS means basic input output system. So especially it is a code which invoke first. The BIOS is a especially firmware used to perform hardware initialization to provide runtime service for operating system. After BIOS involved, it performs the powers on self-test. Power on self-test means post routines, which are used to check the hardware components of the computer to ensure that everything is functioning correctly or not. Everything is functioning correctly or not before the operating system loads. So here, question number 1, option B, BIOS code invoking then executing the post routine is the right answer. Okay. Moving to the question number 2, gateway connection. Gateway connection is a which type of connection? It is a level 3. It is a level 3 connection. Why it is a level 3 connection? See, in networking, what happens? A gateway operates at the network layer. Gateway operates at the network layer, that is in layer 3 of the OSI model, means open system interconnection. It connects different networks of often performing protocol translation between different networks. So gateway can route traffic between the different network segments and are used to connect the network with the different protocols. So here, level 3 connections is the right answer. Okay. Moving to the question number 3, which of the following is the fastest medium of data transfer? Okay. Fastest medium of data transfer. Now, guys, we are using what type of network? Fiber networks. Okay. So here, fiber optics is the best way to the best way for transfer the data very faster. See, main reason is that in fiber optics, cables are the fast data transmission medium as they transmit the data as light through glass fibers. Okay, which results in a high speed and a long distance data transfer with minimal signal loss. But in case of a coaxial and a twisted pair cable, another options are on the other hand use the electrical signal for data transmissions and have a slower speed as comparison to fiber optics. So fiber optics is more faster as comparison to coaxial cable and twisted pair cable. So here fiber optics is the most appropriate answer. Moving to the question number 4, a device that forwards data packets from one segment to another segment. One segment to another segments of a network is called a what? It's called a bridge. Okay, because what happened exactly in the bridge? A bridge is a network device that is used to connect and filter the traffic between two or more network segments. It forwards data packets based on the MAC address to the other network programs. But what happens in case of switch? A switch operates similarly, but is more advanced. Operating at the data link layer 2. And sometimes the network layer 3, where here hub, what is the work of hub? Hub is a simple device that broadcasts data to all devices in the network layer without any filtering. So bridge is here the most appropriate answer. For option number B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 5. Okay. What is firewall? What do you mean by a firewall? So what is a firewall? Firewall is a software program already pre-installed in our system. Still after that we are installing the antivirus program. But what the exact work of a firewall? The firewall is a software or it may be a hardware used to isolate a private network from a public network. Okay, which is already pre-installed or pre-inbuilt in our system in a laptop. So a firewall is a network security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on the predefined security rules. predefined security rules. It is used to isolate and protect the private network from a public network. Private network from a public network, such that the internet by controlling access to and from the network. So it is used to isolate the private network from a public network is the most appropriate answer, which is option B. So you must definitely click the answer 5, option B. Moving to the question number 6, the term that applies to the spacing between the line of text. Spacing between the line of text, it is called the leading. So what happened in case of leading? We will define what is kerning, what is tracking, what is leading. I'll let you know that. So first of all, leading refers to the vertical. This is horizontal and this is vertical. Leading refers to the vertical space between the line of text in a document. Okay. But in case of a kerning, is the adjustment of space between the individual characters. While you're tracking, what happened? Tracking adjusts the space uniformly over a range of characters. Okay. So what the question is given? Question is asking the term that applies the space between the line of text is leading. Option C is the right answer. So you must click on the leading options. Moving to the question number 7. Which of the following is not the color specification format? Which of the following is not the color specification format? Okay, we know it is a RGB is a color specification format, CMYK is a color specification format, and GIF is not a color specification format. Why? Because what is GIF? GIF means graphics interchange format. In sometimes what happen, we people are forwarding in the WhatsApp GIF messages. Some of the pictures are in constant, some of the pictures are in dancing, moving mode. Okay, coloring mode, moving mode, in animated mode. That is called GIF. Graphic interchange format. Okay, graphic interchange format is an image format that supports both static and animated graphics. But what the question is asking? Question is asking which of the following is not a color specification format. So RGB is a color specification format because RGB is the red, green, blue, and CMYK is the cyan, magenta, and yellow and black are the color specification format used for displaying and printing images respectively. But here GIF means graphic interchange format is a image format. So it is not a color specification format. Understood? So 7 option A is the right answer. Clear? Moving to the question number 8. A video signal transmit with all the signals mixed together and carried on a single cable. Single cable. Okay, that means composite video. Clear? Composite video. See what happens in composite video. Composite video is a type of video signal where all the video's information, that means brightness, color, synchronization, is combined into a single signals and transmit through a one cable. Transmit through the one cable. Okay. But what happens in component video? Component video separate the video information into different components. Usually 3 separate signals. But chroma key video, another option is what? Chroma key video. What? Chroma core video. Chroma core video is a technique used to video production for compositing two images or video streaming based on the color hues. Okay. But the question is asking, what is the question? A video signal transmitted with all the signal mixed together can carry on a single cable is called composite video. So 8 option A is the right answer. Okay. Last 2 questions. So we'll try. Question number 9. Display device which are capable of displaying good pixel and resolution quality. Good pixel and resolution quality are used in a multimedia application. Definitely, it is a true statement. See, we have to justify our answer why it is a true statement. See, 3 statements options are given: false, true, and cannot say. It is a true statement. Explanation is here because multimedia application display device with the good pixel and resolution quality are essential to provide clear and detailed image, video, and animation. High resolution displays are commonly used in the multimedia. See, remember, high resolution display are commonly used in multimedia for accurate color, reproductions, and image clarity. So definitely it is a true statement. 9 option B is the appropriate answer. Okay. Last question. FTP means file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol is based on the principle of HUD. Which principle? Client server principle. What happened in the client server principle? See, client server principle. Here FTP means file transfer protocol operates a client server model where the client requests, client means we, client requests files from the server and the server respond by transporting the requested file. We will put a request, the server will access, then again the server will report back to our answers. The client server model is a central to how FTP functions, enabling us to upload and download the files from the remote server. So client server model, okay, FTP based on the principle of client server model. Okay, so option B is the right answer. So we click on the option B. Okay, once again we have to verify the answer. Question number 1, B is the right answer. Question number 2, C is the right answer. Question number 3, C is the right answer. Question number 4, A is the right answer. Question number 5, B is the right answer. Question number 6, C is the right answer. Question number 7, A is the right answer. Question number 8, A is the right answer. Question number 9, B is the right answer. And question number 10, B is the right answer. Okay, dear guys, here the submit answer will take once only. If you wrongly submitted, you cannot. Okay, but what is mentioned here, you are allowed to submit the assignment only once, only clearly mention only once. So be careful at the time while you are submitting the answers. Now we verify and I am going to submit the answer. It is revolving. See what message will come. Yes, your answer has successfully submitted. Now I am going to clicking on the cross button. Thank you for taking the week texty assignment. Your assignment submitted dates in this month. Okay, guys, I hope you definitely must enjoy this video. And very soon I'm going to produce week 7 assignment 7 quiz test answer. Okay, till then, I hope if you like my channel and if you are happy with my channel, definitely you must subscribe, like and share with your friends, colleagues. Okay, till then you must take care of and bye.